So I'm very happy to be here. I'm also very sorry that I couldn't attend 2 earlier days because I have the feeling there are lots of things that happened in the meantime, and I would have liked to hear it very much. So the project actually started as an idea after I did a few trips in emerging countries or in North Africa, India, Brazil, and where I figured out there are many of the problems that I met on my travels that could be really alleviated with very simple technologies and practical knowledge. So then I started going on the web and looking for information, and I figured out some information is available, but it's mainly in English, and it's squatted on institutional websites, and it's not at all that easy to access this information. So the idea of the project is to make a repository of simple technologies, and especially how to form in a practical form. So what was striking also was to me was were these 3 maps where you see a quite striking correlation. Where communication is difficult, poverty is very likely to be an issue. So the language map, there are more or less 7,000 official, not official languages, but repertorié, I don't know how you say it. Anyways, and they match quite much with the countries where there is also lots of poverty and several layers of the society. There are now more ways of bridging the digital divide. Also, maybe the next one, what you saw yesterday with the question box and or the day before, and all these efforts that are being made with telecenters and the technologies that are really coming, I think, at a very fast pace. But there is still very much, we think, a need for a one-stop place for simple technologies and how to applicable information. So how Topedia is collecting this information. We're a young organization, and we're trying to motivate organizations to take part on the platform. The platform is a Wikipedia-like platform, which means it's very collaborative. But if we don't have it as open as Wikipedia, people have to contact us or being contacted by us to get a pass, and so that technologies that might be as simple as soap. Soap is not that easy. It's very simple, but you shouldn't mess up with the proportions. So organizations that are seriously developing technologies want to have it precise. Our innovation is that we want to focus on this simplicity of the technologies, and we want the website to do just this one thing, information, applicable information, that it's a collaborative work for the stakeholders, that people can actually choose the information or the technologies that they feel they need or they could apply, and it's not something that's coming from outside. You have this problem and you need this solution. But it's a very bottom-up way to approach technologies, and we think that the name is actually quite a potential, because it seems people are waiting for the content up behind the name. So the users, the people we're targeting are, on the one hand, the stakeholders who are producing the information, like the small innovative organizations who are trying to develop and promote specific technologies, and on the other hand, small organizations, communities who have projects and not necessarily an own documentation center, and they will find here these innovations. So, of course, the World Wide Web is also a potential user, but we are focusing on small organizations and associations. Maybe the next one. So, basically, yeah, we see the direct users. We think maybe teachers or you need a lot of assets already to be able to go on Hotfeed. You need to illiterate, you need a computer, you need a connection, internet connection. So, of course, we don't expect the most remote rural land person to access Autopedia directly, but much more through organizations or through small communities who already have some assets. So now the website is actually still in a beta version. We're gaining partners now, and we are very happy that we have the means to work for a period of time, which was not an obvious thing. It's going to be quick, but we have this chance. And we are now really doing this work of contacting organizations and asking for interest in partnerships. And in the later phase, after also we increase the number of languages, we will make a broader communication effort. But the first steps are really partnerships and language development. Next one. So, yeah, this is maybe just a sum up, but the most important thing is that we're looking for partners, and if anybody is interested, we're very open, and also different languages. We're really looking for people interested in developing it in other languages, and we put a login for the conference, eIndia, with a password share, so if you want to try out and then make some to try out, you're welcome. So thank you very much.